students, here is our question. It says construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So first of all, we'll draw a ray. It's a line segment. Let's put the arrow mark on one side. It's a ray. Let's name the initial point to be O. And now what we need to do is to construct a semicircle at the initial point O. Center would be initial point O, but the radius can be taken of any length. Here it is. Okay. This is not necessary to take exactly the semicircle. This can be a little more or a little less also. Let's now name this point of intersection where this semicircle is intersecting the ray. Suppose this is point A. And notice that I haven't changed the stretch of this compass. This is still equal to the radius of that semicircle. So I'm now going to take the arc over this semicircle from A. That would be equal to the radius. Let's name this point to be B. And from B, there is another arc, another equal arc. This point is, suppose, C. And notice that since the chord AB is equal to the radius, so the angle between A and B is equal to 60 degree. And same, the angle between B and C, that is also 60 degree. So now we will bisect the angle between B and C. For that, now you can change the stretch of the compass. It is your choice, a little more or a little less. But we need to make sure that we have to take two equal arcs from B and C to bisect it. Equal arcs from B and C. This arc is from B. And now I'm taking the same arc from C also. And we need to make sure that these two arcs must intersect each other at a point. See, I have got a point here. The point of intersection is, suppose, E. Let's join point E to the initial point O. Here it is. Which is intersecting this semicircle at a point. Let us name this point to be D. Okay. This way, the 90 degree angle is constructed. Let us make the symbol of 90 degree there at that point. And now the justification part is required. See, the question says, construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray. So this first part is done here. Now the second part is justify the construction. So let's justify the construction. Justification starts here. Justification. Since chord AB, if we join the straight line segment from A to B, that will be chord AB. That is equal to the chord BC, and both are equal to the radius. So angle between A and B, angle AOB, is equal to 60 degree. And the same is between the points B and C. Means angle BOC is also 60 degree. Now see the angle between points A and D, angle AOD. That should be equal to angle AOB plus angle BOD. AOB and BOD. So angle AOB is 60 degree. And what about angle BOD? Notice that the angle between B and C was 60 degree, but we have bisected it. So angle between B and D should be half of that. That means 30 degree. So angle BOD is 30 degree here. And the sum becomes 90 degree. This was the justification. I hope this makes sense. Thanks for watching.
We need to construct. Now, listen to me and observe very carefully. We first draw a ray PQ. That's simple. It could be of any length. It's a ray. Take P as center and with some radius, draw an arc of circle that intersects PQ at R. There. Now, take R as center and maintain the same radius. Don't change the radius. Draw an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at some point. Let's call it S. Now take R and S as centers, one by one. And take a radius which is more than half of RS. That's again critical. Draw arcs. You see that? And these arcs, let's say, intersect at the point T. You join PT and extend it. This is the required ray that makes an angle of 30 degrees with our initial ray, which was PQ. So you constructed an angle equal to 30 degrees. Let me tell you how we'll do that. First, we draw a ray, PQ. Now, take P as the center and take any radius. Draw an arc. Let it intersect PQ at R. Now, take R as a center and ensure that you have the same radius as before. Draw another arc which intersects the previous arc that we had drawn at S. You see that? Now, take S as a center and with the same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the arc at T. Look at it carefully. Now, what you need to do is take S and T as centers one by one and draw arcs of the same radius to intersect each other at a point, let's call it U. Now join PU. Let's say it intersects the arc at V. We are not yet over. Take S and V as centers and draw arcs with the radius. What should be the radius? Good. More than half of SV. Let's say these arcs intersect at W. Join PW. And what you've done in the process is drawn a ray that makes an angle of 75 degrees with PQ. Good job. So BC equals 7 centimeters. Angle B is 75 degrees. And the condition is AB plus AC should be 13 centimeters. Let's go step by step. First step. Draw a line segment BC of 7 centimeters. This is simple. Now at point B, draw an angle of 75 degrees. Let's call this XBC. Now, cut a line segment BD equal to 13 centimeters, which is AB plus AC, from the ray BX. Now, all you need to do is join DC and make an angle DCY equal to angle BDC. Let CY intersect BX at A. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now what we did was angle D equals angle C in triangle ADC. So obviously the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So AD equals AC. And that is why AB plus AC will be equal to 13 centimeters.
Hello students. Here we have our next question. It says construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree, and the difference of the other two sides AB minus AC is given 3.5 centimeter. So First of all, we'll draw the base 8 centimeter. So it is here from 0 to 8. Let's construct from 0 to 8. It should be like this. From 0 to 8. It's done. Let's name it BC. BC. Okay. Now angle B should be constructed 45 degrees, and to construct 45 degree, we will construct first 90 and bisect it. This is the technique we apply. So to construct 90, I'm drawing here a part of the circle. Here it is. And without changing the arc, we have to take an arc on this part of the circle from this point of intersection. This is here, first arc, and the second arc should also be taken. That is also equal to the previous arc, that is the radius. Let us name these points to be P, Q, and R. This point is here R. And let us bisect the angle between Q and R. The angle between P and Q is 60 degree. Angle between Q and R is 60 degree. Why? Because the chord PQ is equal to the radius. Any chord equal to the radius subtend an angle 60 degree at the center. So angle PBQ is 60 degree. Angle QBR is 60 degree. I'm going to bisect the angle between Q and R. To bisect, I can change the radius now. From Q and R, I will draw equal arcs. First is from Q here, and then the same arc should be drawn from R also. As you can see here, these two are intersecting each other at a point. This point of intersection must be joined to this vertex of the angle. Okay, the angle PBS. Suppose this point is here S. So angle PBS is 90 degree. Why? Because the angle between Q and S is 30 degree after bisection. So 60 plus 30 becomes 90 degree. And now we have to bisect the angle PBS, so that will get 45 degree angle. Okay, to construct 45 degree angle, I have just changed the arc. And I will take equal arcs from P and S. From P, this is the first arc I have taken. And from Q also, I will take the same arc without changing it. Okay, this point should be joined to the vertex of the angle. This will make 45 degree. Let's join them together. Okay, see, I have extended this line segment, the angle between P, B, and T. This point is here T. This point here is T. So angle between P and T is 45 degree here. This is 45 degree. Okay. Now see, very easy to guess. Point C is here, point B is here. So point A must be somewhere on this line. Point A must be somewhere on this line. And AB should be on this line only. AB is here. Okay. And according to the difference, we see that AB should be longer. AB minus AC is 3.5 degree. So it's very clear that clearly AB is longer than AC. Right? AB is longer. This is important. Because if AB is longer, we will cut an arc of difference 3.5 centimeter this way. If AB is shorter, we'll take it the opposite direction. So I'm measuring the compass. I'm stretching it equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 is here. 3.5. Yeah, This is 3.5. I'm cutting an arc of 3.5 on this line segment of 45 degree from B. This is here. Okay. This point, let us name it as X. This point is X. This point is X. Let's join X to C. X to C. I have joined X to C. Well, after joining X to C, I will construct perpendicular bisector of X and C. Perpendicular bisector of X and C. So, stretch the compass approximately more than half the distance of XC. Take the arcs on both directions this way and here also. And the same arc from X, point X, same arc from point X, which is here, point of intersection found, and this way also, here the point of intersection is found. These 2 points of intersections should be joined together. That would give us the perpendicular bisector of CX. Okay, and I must extend this point of this perpendicular bisector so that it will intersect this previous line. See, I have extended this perpendicular bisector so that it can intersect the line BX at some point. I have got a point there. Let me highlight that. This is point A, the third vertex of the triangle, and I will join A to C. The triangle is complete. The triangle ABC is completed. Triangle ABC is completed. See the logic. What's the logic? Justification. Justification is here. Using the property of perpendicular bisector, every point of perpendicular bisector remains equidistant from both ends of the first line segment. Since point A is on the perpendicular bisector, so point A must be equidistant from X and C. So AX is equal to AC, right? And we already had constructed BX equals 3.5 centimeter. We took an arc BX equal to 3.5 centimeter. So now see, if we write here BA minus AC, see how much is it? BA, this is the first, the second side, first side was our BC, second side BA, third side AC. BA minus AC is equal to BX plus XA minus AC. Because in place of BA, we can write BX plus XA. Now notice that BX is equal to 3.5 centimeter. XA is equal to AC. XA is equal to AC. So we can replace XA by AC. And minus AC is also there. So AC got cancelled. So BA minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Right. So this is the justification. This is how we have constructed triangle ABC constructed. Thanks for watching.